This video is all about the Cricut Venture, the brand new machine just released from Cricut. We're going to talk about what it does, how it could work in your craft room, and if this machine is right for you. Let's get into it. Hey there, I'm Sarah. I am your crafting expert and I love sharing tutorials, reviews, and helpful videos on all things craft related. If that sounds like something you like, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. A few weeks ago, I did a comparison video of the 5 Cricuts currently available. You can find that video right up here. It compares all of the machines. I talk about what each machine is for and who it might benefit, and then I have a recommendation on which one you should buy. Last week, Cricut launched a brand new machine called the Cricut Venture. So today's video is an addition to the last one that I did. We're gonna throw this new machine into the mix, talk about what it does, and I'm gonna make some recommendation on who this machine is for. This is the Cricut Venture. It has a very different look from a lot of the other Cricut machines. It is a large scale cutter. This can cut up to 25 inches. It has a little bit different look too. It's got an angle so it doesn't take up as much space. The material and mats can run at this 45-degree angle, making it a little bit easier to cut. This is a really fast commercial grade machine. It also comes with a new type of blade that's going to be really efficient. In addition to cutting, this machine can score, write, and foil. And it can accommodate up to about 100 different materials, so very similar to the Explore machines. You can use regular materials on the mat, or you can use their new large format smart materials, so vinyl, iron-on, that come on really long rolls. Like the other machines, the Venture can perform print then cut up to a huge size, like 24 by 28 inches. So if you have a large format printer that can print that large, you can now cut that large too. This machine works with Design Space like all of the other machines. So if you're already comfortable with that software, this is going to be really easy to use. Here's something really cool about this machine. It has a companion docking station. So this is like a little stand, it's on wheels. The machine sits on top of it and it has a mechanism that kind of holds it in place. Comes with a roll holder on the back for those large rolls of smart vinyl. And it comes with these 2 pieces on the bottom that open up. So if you are making long pieces of stencil or vinyl, whatever you're cutting, it can fall into these almost baskets on the front and back. I love that it has this auto cutter on it. So if you are making duplicates one after another, you can just slice them off or auto cut them off when you are done. So the Cricut Venture is bigger, it's faster, and it has a huge capacity. Who is this machine for? I would say that the Venture is for the small business owner, the person that needs to create a lot of items in a short amount of time. So if you are producing 100 of the same shirt or the same tumbler, the same sticker, decal, whatever it is you're selling, the Venture is going to be your friend. You are able to cut so much faster and in much larger quantities. Think of the 12 by 12 mats that go with our Maker or Explore machines and how many mats you have to run through and cut to get 100 decals done. You can do that much faster on the Venture. The price of the Cricut Venture is $9.99. If you bundle it with the docking stand, it is $12.49. So I have a link down below where you can shop for this. It is officially available beginning July 25th, 2023. There's also some more links down in the description that take you right over to Cricut.com where you can see this machine in action. So take this information to heart, but make sure you go watch that video where I compare the other 5 Cricut machines as well. You're going to be able to figure out for yourself which machine is right for you. I hope you found this quick overview helpful and that it helps you make a decision on your next Cricut machine. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I am here every week with new craft videos. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.